The law of attraction has gained widespread popularity in recent years as a powerful tool for manifesting desires. At its core, the law of attraction posits that like attracts like, and by aligning our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with our desires, we can attract those very desires into our lives. Neville Goddard, a prominent figure in the New Thought movement, explored the principles of manifestation and provided valuable insights on attracting money. In this video, we delve into Neville Goddard's teachings and how they can guide us in harnessing the law of attraction to manifest financial abundance. Before delving into Neville Goddard's teachings, it's crucial to understand the fundamental principles of the law of attraction. According to this law, our thoughts and emotions generate energetic vibrations that resonate with similar frequencies in the universe. By focusing our thoughts on what we desire, rather than what we lack, we activate the law and begin the process of attracting our desires. The key lies in maintaining a positive mental state and cultivating unwavering belief in the realization of our goals. Neville Goddard emphasized the power of imagination as a catalyst for manifestation. He believed that imagination creates reality and that our outer world is a reflection of our inner world. Goddard's teachings revolved around the concept of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. In other words, he encouraged individuals to immerse themselves in the emotional state they would experience once their financial goals were achieved. By persistently assuming the emotional state of abundance, one activates the law of attraction and attracts financial prosperity. Visualization and affirmation are two powerful techniques Neville Goddard advocated for attracting money. Visualization involves creating vivid mental images of oneself already possessing the desired wealth. By repeatedly visualizing these scenes, one impresses the subconscious mind with the belief that the manifestation is already a reality. Affirmations, on the other hand, are positive statements that reinforce the desired outcome. By affirming statements like, "I am wealthy and abundant," or "money flows to me effortlessly," individuals program their subconscious minds to accept and attract financial abundance. Faith played a significant role in Neville Goddard's teachings. He believed that having unwavering faith in the realization of one's desires was crucial for manifestation. Faith, in this context, refers to a deep-rooted conviction that what is desired is already present, even if it is not yet visible in the physical realm. Goddard taught that faith aligns one's thoughts and emotions with the desired outcome, intensifying the power of attraction. According to Neville Goddard, it is essential to identify and release any limiting beliefs surrounding money. These beliefs, often ingrained in our subconscious minds, can hinder our ability to attract financial abundance. By examining our thoughts and beliefs about money, we can consciously replace any negative or scarcity-based beliefs with positive and abundance-focused ones. Shifting our mindset from lack to abundance opens up new possibilities and allows the law of attraction to work in our favor. While the law of attraction emphasizes the power of thoughts and emotions, it is equally important to take inspired action towards our financial goals. Neville Goddard emphasized the need to align our thoughts and actions, allowing them to complement and reinforce each other. Taking inspired action involves being open to opportunities, following intuition, and making choices that align with our desired financial outcome. By combining positive thinking with purposeful action, we set ourselves up for success. Neville Goddard's teachings offer valuable insights into harnessing the law of attraction to attract money. By utilizing techniques such as visualization, affirmation, and cultivating faith, individuals can shift their mindset, release limiting beliefs, and align their thoughts and actions with financial abundance. Remember, the law of attraction is not a quick fix but a transformative process that requires consistent practice and dedication. By incorporating Neville Goddard's teachings into our lives, we can tap into our inherent power to manifest the financial prosperity we desire.